calling all members of the BASL Kegalle Zone and law students. Join us on the 7th of December 2024 for an exclusive morning session with one of Sri Lanka's most esteemed legal experts. Dr. Ruwan Fernando will lead a powerful lecture on admissibility of electronic evidence in criminal and civil law, offering invaluable insights into this essential topic, organized by the Bar Association of Kegalle. This lecture is designed for legal professionals, students, and members of the bar, eager to master the complexities of admissible electronic evidence. Don't miss this opportunity to gain valuable insights from one of Sri Lanka's leading experts on electronic evidence admissibility. Seats are limited, so register now and ensure your place at this valuable event. We're excited to offer a BASL bookstall at the event venue, where you'll find diaries, ties, and BASL ID renewal services conveniently available on site. Explore a wide range of law books covering all legal topics, available at the BASL bookstall. The lecture will be conducted in Sinhala. Please note the dress code is smart casual and seating is limited, so tickets will be available on a first-come, first-served basis.